Hi, hello, and welcome to our online tuitions. This is Lohit, and today we are going to continue our class 1 day number 3 with new lesson animals. So this animals lesson is by Lohit Varun. I would like to share you my PPT presentation. If you can see, can anyone see this PPT presentation?
Yes,
Yeah, I would like to start my slideshow. So, our online tuitions welcome you all to Science Day number 3, our online tuition section topic animals part number 1. And I would like to start with my pen. Today we are going to learn about what are animals, why do animals eat, why animals are important, birds, dogs. Today we are going to see about what are animals. Animals are also called as mitosia are multicellular aquatic organisms that form the biological kingdom Animalia. Animalia. With few exceptions, animals consume organic material, breathe oxygen, are able to move, can reproduce sexually, and grow from a hollow sphere of cells. The blastula during embryonic development. Over 1.5 billion exams, so living animal species have been described. Of around 1 million are insects. About 1 million insects are there, but it has been estimated there over 7 million animals. Estimated are over 7 million species in total. Animals range in length from 8.5 micrometers to 8.5 micrometers means it approx to 0.00033 to 33.6 meters. About means it's about to 110 feet. They have complex interactions. It's from ecology with each other and their environments, forming integrate food webs. The kingdom Animalia includes humans, but oh sorry, yeah. Cockwell use the terms animal often differs only to non-human animals. Like these are not humans. We are humans, okay. So what I'll say, we are humans. Our mothers approx like 25 millions. Like they are which I say like monkeys. So from monkeys we will form. If we are in a, see for example, I'll draw something else. Kindly see. If I'll be in stomach, for example, I am in stomach. First I'll be like one insect. On walls you will see few insects. If you can see in white. I forgot that name, but I'll say you. Will be like that. Like that will born. Here one like pipe will be. So that we can breathe like that. Sorry, I'm just so late. The scientific study of animals is known as zoology. So if you visit zoo, for example, you people will visit zoos. If you can see, it is named as zoo, and there all animals will be. And like this, jails will be zoo. So this is called zoo, where all the animals will be. Now let's see what are the types of animals. Animals with backbone are vertebrates. Vertebrates. So if animals without backbone are called without. Now I have said animals with a backbone are vertebrates. Now if I say animals, wait a second, I'm writing. Animals. So, sorry, I'm using like a keypad. So, animals with a backbone is called as vertebrates. Now, if I cut A and write as without backbone are non-vertebrates. It's very easy. Non-vertebrates. Now, vertebrates belong to the phylum called phylum core data. Vertebrates. Oh shit! I'm sorry. Just erase inks. Now, we are the humans, we have backbone. Okay. So we can stand. Animals like house flies, they doesn't have this backbone. Like first, especially like amoeba. Amoeba is like a liquid. From amoeba we'll get fishes. First amoeba. Now, we the humans have backbone. We are called as vertebrates. Vertebrates are further broken into five classes: amphibians, birds, fish, mammals, and reptiles. Animals without a backbone are invertebrates, as I have said you, without a backbone. Most invertebrates, so let's cut this. Animals without backbone are invertebrates. Most invertebrates are in phylum Arthropoda. So these are the four types of animals. Now, why do animals eat? Why do animals eat? Animals eat food and get energy, as you know. We are the humans, eat and get energy. But same animals eat and get energy to fight with another. Few brands of dogs food and cats food. See, pedigree. Dog, pedigree, cat. Which is the most dangerous dog? International Dog 2026 most dangerous dogs breeds in the world. It's the most dangerous dog, so you should be away from these dogs. American Pit Bull Terror. One by six American Pit Bulls are one of the most dangerous dogs. Most dangerous dogs and have been banned by many countries in the world. See, Rottweiler, German Shepherd. German Shepherd is very dangerous dog. American Bulldog, as I have said you, Pit Bulls. Bull Mastiff, 5 by 6, Siberian Husky. Now, what is the smartest dog? These are the smartest dogs breeds according to the canine psychologists. Border Collie, Pudley, German Shepherd, Golden Retriever, Doberman Physia, and Shetland Land Sheepdog, Labrador Retriever, Papillion. So, these are the body parts of dogs. These are the body parts of dogs. As I need to not say you this top, you, and upper, forearm, like this. Just I'll say you. Eyes for your age, eyes, neck, neck with this, chest, its nipples. This is the chest, It is back, tail set. This is a tail, thigh, like that. Now let's see about birds. Birds are a group of warm-blooded vertebrates. Birds have bones, so they are vertebrates. Consulting the class is authorized by futures, toothless, beaked jaws, the line of hard-shell eggs, a high metabolic rate, a four-chambered heart, and a strong yet lightweight skeleton. It's a lightweight skeleton like. Birds live worldwide, range from, I'll just open this, laser point, from 5 meters now 2 in B, 2 in Bs. Like bees have 2.7 meters, means about to 9 feet. Ostrich head is like there are about to 10,000 living species, more than half of the which are passerine or perching birds. Birds have wings whose development varies according to species. The only one group without wings are the extant more elephant birds. Elephant birds doesn't have wings like so wings, which involved from involved from forelimbs, gave birds the ability to fly. Although further evolutions had led to the loss of flight in some birds, including rarities, penguins, and diverse and endemic island species. The digestive and respiratory systems we know. So of birds also same but unequally adapted for flight. Some bird species have adapted for swimming. Some water birds have further involved for swimming. These are few birds I would like to say you. Now let's see body part of birds. As usual, eye, beak, neck, bird, body, body, claws. These are the claws. Like these are the legs, but these are the claws. Wings, neck, head. These are the eyes, beak, neck. So feathers, tertius. I need to not say this treasures and tail. This is a tail. So I end today's class, and today we have learned many things, and it's just so easy. Objectives. What are animals? Why do animals eat? Animals are important, dogs and birds. So I end today's class here. If you have any doubts, please keep it in the comment box so that I'll answer. Please check the description box and join our classroom. Google Classroom. Just download, join it. And what mail ID you want, you can join. So I end today's class here. If you have any doubts, keep it in the comment box. Thank you. I'll just come to the meet and I'll just stop the recording. Mm, yeah, I'm stopping the presenting. So thank you. Have a nice day. If you have any doubts, keep in the comment box. I'll answer. Thank you. I'll stop the recording. Have a nice day.